Hey y'all, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to my Solana family. You guys can tell by the title of the video, day-to-day analysis. You guys ask for it, I bring it to you guys. All I ask for you guys is smash that like button and hit that red subscribe button, and that's all I need from you guys. But now let's get right into it. So as we're approaching Friday morning, you are seeing a little bit of a minor pullback for the markets, but slowly but surely over the past, I would say, half an hour to 40 minutes, we are seeing Bitcoin start pushing back up to around that 66k mark, which of course is fueling altcoins once again. But tomorrow is going to be a really important day. I did mention this in my other updates if you did end up watching it, but if you only watch Solana updates, of course, then I will tell you that here. Tomorrow is a very important day because, of course, we're approaching the weekend after that. And on the weekends, we do know that there's more manipulation. So it's going to be really important to see how Bitcoin reacts. But as far as Solana is concerned, up 4.1% on the daily time frame, outpacing BTC right now. We love to see that. Sol is currently sitting at $168.25. Up 3.6% in both Bitcoin and USD. Comparative market cap $75.1 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at $2.2 billion, which is not bad at all. But let's continue to take a look at what's happening. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So just 4 hours back, I asked you guys, the community members, so far it's only been 4 hours and 418 votes have already come in, and I asked, do we close the month on a bullish note or a bearish note? And as of now, like I said, 418 votes have come in. 81% think that it's going to be a bullish ending, and I'm starting to think that as well. Because especially based off of what we're seeing with BTC, the reaction that we're seeing with Bitcoin, that is giving me an indication that we could see Bitcoin popping back above 70k before we close the month, and I think that is going to be a really bullish statement going into the month of June. Loving what I'm seeing. And if you want to engage with me, obviously you have to subscribe to the channel, turn your bell icon on, and you will be notified whenever I update these community posts where you can interact with me. Thank you so much if you do so on a day-to-day basis. Love you all. But let's talk about what's happening for Solana itself. So shout out to Solana Flora as always. They do a great job. Nothing sponsored, just I'm a true fan of their work. So do follow them on Twitter at Solana Flora. But let's take a look at what's happening. So you can see Jupiter Exchange flips Uniswap in 24-hour DEX volume. Again, let's really ask ourselves, and let's take 30 seconds out of our time to really ask ourselves, are we surprised at this? Like, are you really surprised? And if you are surprised, do let me know in the comments down below why this comes as a surprise to you. But loving what I'm seeing here. And of course, if we continue, you can see Magic Eden continues to dominate all the other marketplaces and trading revenue. Amazing stuff. NFTs obviously popping off, and Magic Eden, just a unique platform, something refreshing. Obviously originally was a Solana based one, but they integrated Bitcoin, Sol, Ethereum NFTs, and that is obviously bringing a lot of excitement to it. So loving that part. But let's continue. Now this is something really interesting, man. Wow. We really live in times like this. Like, we are really living in times like this. And now if you're wondering what I mean is, look at it. Solana meme coin Tramp, not Trump, but it's based off of Donald Trump. So the tag is TREMP. That's the ticker. And it breaks $100 million market cap. What if I told you I saw this thing when it just originally launched? And you're seeing projects like this with these types of memes, something like Bowden. Like, are we really living in times like these? Because what I mean by this is people are turning millionaires off of these. And again, the risk involved in these meme coins, you don't want to just blindly look at some of these good ones that are doing, because 99.9% of the ones that are launching, they're all, rug pulls. So, you're going to lose your money. not every single meme coin is going to hit, and there's a specific strategy that you need to have if you still want to play with meme coins. And if you've done your due diligence research and you still want exposure in meme coins, there's a way to do it, and I will make a separate video for you. Smash that like button. I will try to give you guys that. But really, really crazy stuff happening with the markets. I cannot believe this, guys. Like, this is insane. But let's continue. And of course, Jupiter, as well as a lot of other Sol-based platforms are going crazy right now. You guys can see this for yourself. A lot of them have been listed. We saw, I think I have a list of them. Do I not have a list? No, I don't. You saw Drift, I believe, Tensor, Jupe, all got listed on the perp, and it says you can see trading goes live on Coinbase. Absolutely amazing stuff. And on top of that, speaking about Drift protocol, it was live yesterday, started at around 49 cents. If you have not checked, make sure you check your Phantom wallets. You'll get a notification. It's free money. Be very careful what you click. There's so many YouTube tutorials. I'd go on a credible one and go based off of that. Do not click random links, guys. There's so many scams going on out there. But great day nonetheless for the Solana ecosystem. But let's take a further look at what's happening with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin pushing up to 66K, kind of indicated that earlier in the video. It's very, very important for Bitcoin to have a good day, close its daily candle above 66K. I think that would be really nice going into the weekend. But if it's able to get back above 67K, that would be the best thing that could happen for BTC going into the weekend. But looking at Sol, guys, Sol has done something incredible. What I mean by that is, you guys can see we are back in the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. I really want you guys to understand this. Literally from May 14th at $141.15. If you picked up some Sol around that range, you're up 20%. You're up 20% in a matter of 2 days, and that should just tell you the momentum Solana has right now. And you're back in the 38.2 zone. Once it's able to get past this, let's talk about the key resistance around 176. I think that's the next key resistance. If it's able to get past that, guys, I think we're back in the 23.6. It could even close the month of May with a new all-time high. I spoke about the next target that I was aiming for, what I could realistically seeing playing out. I think we could see a 300 plus Sol in the upcoming months. Even in the next month or two, I wouldn't be surprised as long as Bitcoin behaves and starts heading towards all-time highs. I think Sol is going to pop out and hit a new all-time high. It's speaking like that. Ecosystem speaks for itself. A lot of things happening. So a lot of excitement definitely in Solana's price. But again, at the end of the day, that's my own personal opinion. We're going to take it one step at a time. But do let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. What do you guys think? Do you guys agree with that? Do you guys disagree? I love your opinion at the end of the day. It's discussion at the end of the day, and your opinions are open. But that's how I'm seeing it. And I think Solana is going to shock a lot of people very, very soon, especially the haters. But that is all for today. Love you all. See you tomorrow. I've been Crypto ZX, and peace out.